Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust your beat grid on the XDJ 1000 MK2. This also applies to the CDJ Nexus 2s, and it also, I'm pretty sure, probably works on a CDJ Nexus. I've just never tried it. So it's pretty simple. As you can see here, right there, you see how it says 00.1. So it thinks this is the first beat right here, according to the grid. But actually this is right here. So what I had to do is I hit the play button, I went over there, I clicked my Q button. I got quantization turned off, by the way. You can't see it on screen at the moment, but it is turned off. Then I press and hold the encoder, and you see how over there it switches over to grid mode, right? If I press again, I'm in zoom mode. I can zoom in and out. I'm zoomed in, I press it, back in grid mode, and in grid mode I can sit there and adjust that grid. Now the other thing I can do too is go menu and then say snap my grid to that Q point. So I'll go through the track a little bit here. And everything looks good. Press and hold that again, they jump back out. And that's it. Simple. Anyways, guys, if you have any more questions about doing a few tricks here on the CDJs and XDJs, feel free to drop me a comment, and I will try and get back to them.